You probably aren't supposed to be climbing that wall, to be fair.
No, the wall's the bunker. I just have to get on top.
No, I'm saying you're not supposed to technically be climbing the bunker.
To something, walking distance at least. Maybe later on in life I could, but no, it's too far away from it. It's nice though. I like it. You know, it'd be nice to stay here for like a week or something like that. Middle of nowhere.
A week? What the fuck would we do for a week?
Nothing. I mean,
It's
no
kind
stress.
yeah, it's kind of enticing actually.
Nothing. No stress. Oh, that was a bird of prey. Yeah. We are literally off map. Jesus Christ. I think this was your drive home every night.
Oh, I would lose my fucking mind.
Hello. Hi guys.
You're so pretty. Hello.
Oh my god, there's a bug in his eye.
It'll be okay.
Fine.
What are you trying to reach over there, bro?
Hello, bro. You good? Oh, I hate all the bugs on.
Good to meet you.
So where it says footpath, if all you can see is field, it is legal for you to walk across that field.
Ooh.
Come on, Mr. Squirrel, fucking work it out, bruv.
Get out, Miss Squirrel.
Wonder where Mr. Darcy lives.
This bird is so fucking small. This.
Can I climb on it?
No.
No.
Oh.
Whoa.
Wait.
Do you see that?
Yeah, I've got it. Nothing over there. Do you see it, Viv?
Yeah, I see it.
That's a pheasant. Ready? When you get out and chase it. No, seriously, it'll fly
Are you
away.
serious?
No, seriously, go. Go on, go. Yeah, go chase it. You see? Massive, isn't it?